So I got these guys on video. I passed them on 106. They're doing their thing. And of course, yeah, no, dude, you're not doing the right thing if you're riding with me. Show him the camera mount. Let me see. Look, he's got a windy camera mount there.
So I'm gonna be famous now.
You're famous now. I'm gonna call the cops right now. You guys, are you?
I'm your subscriber. So.
What's your name?
Alvin.
And what's your name?
Ramel.
Ramel. Okay, nice bikes, beautiful bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I saw you, it's always good to pull over a little bit though. It's dangerous to pass there. That's a dangerous spot. These are the famous guys that watch windy videos, so you know they don't have a life.
2016 Roxton R.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Wow, I never had a Triumph.
I installed I black it out.
Yeah.
I did it myself.
Beautiful wheels. Yeah. I love spoke wheels. Oh my God, beautiful wheels.
Old rims. And I went tubeless. Converted to tubeless.
Wow. Beautiful bike. Wow. Beautiful paint even.
It's a 1200. The rims are.
See, my problem though, the paint is chipping. Although
that's the factory paint?
Yeah, OEM, yeah.
Wow.
The other side is not, just this side.
They make ceramic paint, but it's a pain in the ass to put on, boy.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
It takes a lot of preparation.
See that? I told you the Valentine radar detector picks up military helicopters. They're closing in on us.
See? It's a video. It's a radio. So it has the speakers here. The one that connects it is the antenna. It's a Bluetooth communicator.
Okay, now this is, how do you make this turn on and off? You got a Bluetooth?
Oh, here, from here.
Oh, you just reach up and turn it. Okay.
You just press it.
And how much is this?
350.
Wow, mine is $14.95. I think you win.
This is awesome.
Or a lot.
Yeah, you know, it's awesome. And then it's
I never saw this. This is news to me.
It's an intercom. Like
wow.
I can connect 10 other motorcyclists. We'll all communicate.
Oh, you'll
at the
talk.
same time.
Yeah. I don't want to hear what my friends have to say.
I've been telling my friend to buy an intercom for the last 2 years and never buys one.
No, I don't want to talk. My friend listens to opera when I ride. I don't want to talk. I just want to hear the engine.
Man.
bike like
Oh, I gotta see if I got that video of that deer jumping over the... He crossed the road right in front of me. Hey, your bike looks great. What can I say? What can I say?
It's like a freaking showroom condition.
They got
Is this faster than my GS, you think, or
I don't know,
pretty 100 horsepower?
89.
Yeah, it's about like a GS. Oh, it looks like we got some other criminals coming up here. Oh, here's the two guys. There they are.
The Chinese guys.
Hey. That's the guys I met up by Hawk's Nest. Yeah,
Listen to the chain. Listen to the chain.
Let's see if he does a burn. Come on, hit it, hit it! And he misses a shift! The asshole misses a shift! Jose, you're starting to look like a smart guy.
Oh my God.
You know how many bikes I could buy for what that car cost?
Yeah.
So, Charlie Ducati has got his new V4. And guess what? He comes out on his old bike. What does that tell you? You need to test ride your V4. Make sure the tires are just scuffed in right.
I wish I could.
When you pick it up?
I thought my red one, my Super Sport, was the greatest thing in the world.
Nah, the V4 is better.
But then you get on something newer.
Of course.
And all of a sudden, I don't like my red one as well.
Guess what's going to happen next year?
The same thing.
Ask Bill. He buys a bike every 2 minutes. It's true. Isn't it true?
You know, insurance, registration. Yeah, that gets expensive. The hobby. Yes.
This must be newer than mine. What year is this? What year is this? A 6?
6, right.
I have a 9.
It's a 13-year-old.
Yeah, that's a nice shape. Wow.
Wendy, you're a man for design. What do you think of the red on the rims?
It's personal choice.
Yeah, well, what do you? Well, I'm
I like it. But
I like it too. Doesn't mean.
But you know, that doesn't mean you're gonna like it.
It beats better than just black.
Well, you know, you buy me a burger up there, we'll drive.
Here's the test. Anything shiny beats anything flat.
That's not true.
There's no such thing as flat and pretty. They don't go in the same sentence, right, Bill? Bill agrees with me. Look at the shiny. Look at the paint on this thing. Holy crap! Like I did it. Unbelievable. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice paint makes a bike.
He has a coat over that.
if you're new to our channel, we have a very, very eclectic channel. One of the new features we have now is some of the videos are grouped into groups that you can access all the videos for one category in one mouse click. And it should be very convenient and very handy. Just check out the feature on the main screen playlist. And thanks to everybody for supporting the channel. We appreciate your support, and it makes this channel possible with all the things we do, the painting, the wheels, the polishing. And please take a second or two and hit the like button. And thanks everyone for watching.